Namaste Gurukolians. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your homes. This is our next video lecture of unit Structure of Atoms. Our second unit is Structure of Atom. In the previous lecture we have discussed about electromagnetic radiations. There are different types of electromagnetic radiations. In this lecture we will study about the spectrum. How you will obtain spectrum of different radiation. The study of spectrum is obtained with the help of an instrument known as spectroscope. Spectroscope is the instrument by which we can study the spectrum, or we also called as spectrograph. Spectrograph. In the spectroscope, mainly two parts are present. One is prism and second is telescope. In this case, spectrograph, prism is present, but telescope is replaced by photographic plate. In the electromagnetic spectrum, we know that different types of the radiations are obtained having different wavelength and different frequencies. These radiations can be separated into different wavelengths with the help of the prism. When white light is passed through the prism, it dissociates into different types of the radiations having different wavelength, and these can be analyzed through the telescope or through the photographic plate. Then a spectrum is obtained which is called as electromagnetic spectrum with the help of instrument that is called as spectroscope. There are mainly two types of spectrum are here. One is emission spectrum and second is absorption spectrum. In case of emission spectrum, the radiation are directly analyzed through the spectroscope. Radiations which are directly analyzed through the spectroscope. This is our slit through which radiations are passed. This is our white light radiations. White light is passed through the slit to obtain a fine beam, then is passed through the prism. This is our prism. When this white light is passed through the prism, it dissociates into different colors. These on the photographic plate we obtain the different types of the wavelength of radiations. In this case, different color are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The wavelength of red is highest but deviation is least. Wavelength of violet is lowest but deviation is highest. So it is photographic plate. फोटोग्राफिक प्लेट पर हम क्या है डिफरेंट टाइप्स के कलर्स ऑब्टेन करेंगे एंड सच टाइप ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम इज नोन एज एमिशन स्पेक्ट्रम. रेडिएशंस या वाइट लाइट इज डायरेक्टली पास थ्रू द स्लेट. दिस इज आवर स्लेट एंड वी ऑब्टेन ए different type of color on photographic plate. This is called as emission spectrum. Emission spectrum is again of two types. This is called as the continuous spectrum and line spectrum. In continuous spectrum, colors are so merged to each other. ये कलर्स एक दूसरे कलर के अंदर इस तरह से मर्ज होंगे कि बहुत कंटिन्यूटी के अंदर ये दिखाई देंगे. So this is called as continuous spectrum. And second type of the emission spectrum is line spectrum, in which two different lines या different types of the lines are present and other space is covered by the dark line. So it is called as the line spectrum. So emission spectrum is of two types. One is continuous spectrum, second is line spectrum. Second type of spectrum is absorption spectrum. In this spectrum, when slit is taken, here one chemical is taken such as sodium chloride, we can take. Radiations are passed through the slit and through this chemical and then pass through the prism, and here is photographic plate. This is also similar to the continuous emission spectrum. This is also a emission spectrum, but when radiations are passed through this chemical, they absorb some wavelength, that is VID-GYOR. When we see there are some dark line is present in this region, means yellow light wavelength absorb some wavelength from this chemical. This type of emission spectrum is called as the absorption spectrum because some wavelength are absorbed from the chemical. So this is about the spectrum. Now we are going to study about emission spectrum of hydrogen. Our topic, very important topic, is emission spectrum of hydrogen. For this spectrum, we take hydrogen gas in the discharge tube at the low pressure. हाइड्रोजन गैस को हम लो प्रेशर पर किसी डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब के अंदर लेंगे. देन इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्चार्ज इज पास थ्रू दिस गैस. When we pass the electric discharge, hydrogen molecule will dissociate into hydrogen atom, and different electrons which are present in atoms of hydrogen, they absorb energy and excited to higher energy level. There are the different types of the electrons and radiations are emitted when electric discharge is passed. So different type of the lines are emitted from the source. These lines are grouped together in different types of series. These series may be Lyman. When radiations are grouped into series, these are called as the Lyman series. Large number of the lines are present. Lyman. Second is Balmer, Paschen, bracket series, and Puffin. These are the different types of the series. Lyman series, which is present in ultraviolet region. Second is Balmer. Balmer is present in visible region. Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, and Puffin series. All these three lines are present in infrared region. These are the different types of the lines which are grouped together. So here one scientist is Rydberg, to calculate the wavelength of these different types of the lines, gave a one formula. This is called as the Rydberg formula. Rydberg gave a formula to calculate the wavelength of these. So according to this formula, wave number, nu bar is wave number, will be equal to 1 by lambda is equal to r into one by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. n1 and n2 are the excited and ground state lines for the emission spectrum of hydrogen. This is for the hydrogen, and this can also be calculated for the hydrogen like atoms. Wave number hydrogen-like substances such as lithium plus 2, helium plus 1. Here it can be calculated as 1 by lambda r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square. This is the Rydberg formula for the hydrogen-like species. So now we are going to start. Our R value is R has value Rydberg constant 109,677 centimeter inverse. Lyman series is obtained when n1 will be equal to 1. From n2 will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so here again. And Balmer series is obtained when n2, this is n1 is equal to 2, n1 is equal to 3, n1 is equal to 4, 5. Now we are studying hydrogen spectrum. We are going to study about the hydrogen spectrum. When a sample of hydrogen gas is heated, hydrogen molecule dissociate and these hydrogen molecule will dissociate into hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom consists of electron. When discharge is passed, these electrons absorb या gain energy from the electric discharge and excited to higher energy level. These levels are called as the excited state for the electrons. So in the hydrogen spectrum, when electric discharge is passed, dissociate into hydrogen atom having electron which absorb energy and shifted to higher energy level. But when electron goes into excited state, जब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी ग्राउंड स्टेट को छोड़ के एक्साइटेड स्टेट में चले गए, एक्साइटेड स्टेट में इनका लाइफ टाइम बहुत कम होता है. द लाइफ टाइम ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द एक्साइटेड स्टेट इज वेरी लो, दो दे विल कम बैक इनटू द ground state through a number of jumps. There are the several ways through which the electron can jump back into their ground state. These can be like as we study in the hydrogen spectrum. This is our first. These are our different energy levels. Here n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are our different energy levels in which electrons can jump when electric discharge is passed. If electrons are excited to 8th energy level and can jump into the first energy level. From the second to the first, third to the first, this group of lines is called as a one series. This is called as the Lyman series. Lyman series, which is present in the ultraviolet region. We know we have already studied Lyman series present in the ultraviolet region when n1 is equal to 1 and electron from n2 या excited state कहाँ से, from the second, third, fourth and so on. Electron can jump from higher energy level to the first energy level. The group of line या series obtained is Lyman series. When electron jump into the second energy level, This is n is equal to 2. From the 8th then the series obtained is, लाइमन के बाद कौन सी आती है? दिस इज अवर बाल्मर सीरीज and this series is present in the ultraviolet and this is present in visible region. So for this Balmer series, first is Lyman series, second is Balmer series. Electron present in second, कहाँ से? from n2 will be equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 नहीं, 2 में तो आएगा, jump into the 2 from the third, fourth, fifth and so on. Now next is electron when jump to the third. Lyman Balmer. Next is Paschen series. In Paschen series present in the infrared region. Infrared region. So this is our third series, Paschen series. Here n1 is equal to 3. कहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट होगा? n2 can be 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now next is electron comes in the fourth from the 8th and this. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen. Next is bracket series. We obtained the bracket series and it is also present in infrared region. This is our infrared region. Fourth type of series is bracket, and in this electron in the ground state is present in fourth cell and electron can from the excited state n2 will be equal to 5, 6 and so on. And last is Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket and Pfaffen. This is our Pfaffen series. It is also present in infrared region. Here electron in the Pfaffen series n1 will be equal to 5, from n2 can be 6, 7 and so on. These are the excited state of the electron and these are their ground state. For Lyman series is 1, for Balmer 2, Paschen 3, bracket 4, Pfaffen 5. Electron can jump to different energy levels. Electron will not flow, it jump from one energy level to the second energy level and their wavelength can be calculated according to the Rydberg formula. So students, this is our hydrogen spectrum. Let's start some numerical portion based on this. Now we will discuss one or more numerical. So our first question is, what is the frequency and wavelength of photon? What is the frequency and wavelength of photon emitted during the transition from emitted during the emitted during the transition from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 2 state in the hydrogen atom. So खत्म हो गया students. And also calculate the region in which lie. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. हमसे क्या पूछा गया है? फ्रीक्वेंसी वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एंड वेवलेंथ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट ऑफ ए फोटोन एमिटेड ड्यूरिंग ए ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम n is equal to 5 to the n is equal to 2. Then what is its excited state? Electron is present in excited state of n is equal to 5. We have studied in the hydrogen spectrum. 5 से इलेक्ट्रॉन किस में आया? 2 में. Electron from excited state 5th energy level to the 2nd energy level. So according to the Rydberg formula, wave number is equal to 1 over r. Wave number is equal to 1 over r, 1 over lambda. It is equal to 1 over lambda is equal to r into 1 over n1 square minus 1 over n2 square. Where r is Rydberg constant and its value is 109677 centimeter inverse. So we can calculate wavelength from here and it come out to be n1. What is n1? n1 given in the question is 2 because electron from excited state a level from 5 to the 2. So n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 5. Put in the formula. Then 1 by lambda is equal to 109677 into 1 over minus 1 over 5 का square. Then from here we can calculate it. So lambda come out to be 434 nanometer. When you solve it, you will calculate wavelength is 434 nanometer. You can solve it. Then you can also calculate frequency. As we know, frequency is equal to c over lambda. C is the speed of light. You know about the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You can convert this wavelength into meter. 1 nanometer 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So it can be 434 into minus 9 meter. So frequency come out in a second inverse. Such type of the questions are asked in the exam based on the hydrogen spectrum, in which we have to calculate frequency, wavelength and also in the number of cells in which electron is present. One more point about the Rydberg formula is limiting line. When electron come from the infinity to any energy level, then it is called as the limiting line. If n2 is equal to infinity to n1, n2 infinity से जब हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पर आएगा? n1 is at कोई भी हो सकता है, n1 1 2 3 4 जो भी आए, then it is called as limiting line for this series. We called it as a limiting line for the series. Okay student, this is all about our spectrum and hydrogen spectrum Rydberg formula. This is very important topic in this unit. We will continue our unit in the next video lecture. Till then, practice on questions based on these topics. Thank you.